people of earlier Indian society, when the human life got started, our early human beings, they were living the life of a hunter gathering. What were their religious practices? What were their beliefs? Let us see. Let us start from the hunter gatherers. People early started as a hunter gathering. They used to move from one place to another place in search of food, and there was no settled life, and there were no buildings, and a permanent settlement was not there, and even agricultural practice was not there. So we have read about the tribal people in our previous units even. We know very little about their religious beliefs and their practices from their paintings. How did we come to know? Through the paintings they have made and through the burials, okay, through the excavations, excavation bolta, Kojna, okay, by digging, they also we have found some of their religious beliefs. We can also know about their religion by studying the religion of today's hunter-gatherers like Chenchus. Chenchus mean, you have seen Hermann Dorf, who went into the Gonds and have studied about their life. So with the study of the present day tribal people also, we can come to an understanding of how their religious practices were and beliefs were. It appears that painting and dance were important parts of their religious lives of the hunter-gatherers. Painting and even dancing. These are the two important ways through which they used to perform prayer to the god. And they probably painted hunting scenes or danced to imitate the hunting scene. They usually पेंट द हंटिंग सीन जो है, ओके, वो सीन को पेंट करना एक तरीका है, और लाइक हंटिंग करे जैसा डांस करना और एक तरीका है. सो समटाइम्स दे ड्रेस्ड देमसेल्व्स एज ए एनिमल्स. अब भी देखो ट्राइबल का डांसेस देखे तो आपको मालूम पड़ती, दे पुट द हॉर्न्स एंड दे डांस, ओके, लाइक एनिमल्स दे ड्रेस अप एंड दे डांस. दे कास्ट्यूम जो है वो पूरा एनिमल के जैसा ड्रेसअप होके नाचते रहते. That is a symbol of a hunting, and that is also the way they used to pray the god. So hunter-gatherers believed that forest and wild animals were sacred and had to be worshipped. This is the most important thing. They believed that this forest is giving them the food, so they should be protected, and they are sacred. Sacred bole to what is the sacred? Holy. Something holy for them the forest is, and the wild animals are very holy for them, and they have to be worshipped. That is the feeling of the hunter-gatherers. Animals should not be killed except when needed. Only to satisfy our hungry, you have to kill the animals, but not for other reason. Not for the lalaj ke liye kabhi nahi marna. And they worshipped many animals too by drawing their pictures on the caves. You know, children, in our Warangal also we have some such drawings of these early man in the Pandavla Gutta. आपको मालूम है पांडवला गुट्टा? ये हमारे वरंगल के बाजू जो विलेज है परकाल के नज़दीक तिरुमलगिरी बोल के एक विलेज है, वो तिरुमलगिरी, इट कम्स अंडर भूपालपल्ली जयशंकर डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेजेंटली. सो इन दिस डिस्ट्रिक्ट यू फाइंड द पांडवला गुट्टा वेयर यू फाइंड द पेंटिंग्स ऑन द caves by the early man. So about this worshipping of the early human beings we will see in the next class even. Thank you, children.